Hey guys, welcome to another video. Video I'm gonna be discussing about Fiverr add video feature to Fiverr's chat. So what I mean by this is that now seller and buyer will be able to communicate through video call within each other. Probably maybe to create more how will I put it, like belief and trust, to have more trust within each other, and to be able to know maybe the seller will be able to do the job that the buyer really wants. And due to my research, I understand the fact that they said the features will be only available for top rated seller, and that will be after a buyer have placed an order. I don't know, maybe that's the real deal, but I would like to take you on a journey to Fiverr Forum and see what people are talking about. And also I have a screenshot that I would like to show you. I'd like to show you a screenshot here before I move on to the forum. So here you see this screenshot, and you see this option here. This is how it will definitely looks like the video call. And let's see what people are saying about the future here. So see what people are actually saying about the future. And see here. Okay, so this Frank D said the video chat feature is only available, like I just said earlier, that to a pro seller currently, and only if an order has been placed. So I can only initiate a video call from the order page. That's what I just said. So let's see here. Okay, what I just understand about this video call or voice call of a thing is just that some people will be afraid maybe about showing their face, because I read a particular comment here on this forum that a girl, oh, this is a comment. So this girl said, no, I hope they won't. I am a horrible introvert, and it makes me so straight to talk to people, especially if we take into account that not every buyer has a good level of English. So you see here, these are the type of things that I'm talking about. Yeah. So I will also drop this forum link on this video comment option, so you can go through it and read as well. I think I have some other pages that discuss about the video as well. Okay, what's this? Let's see here. Okay, this one said, I'm not sure how to have people video chat on air. If I set a coaching session that, then I can refer them to my Skype account, or I have to do the call on air. So, and I think this particular person gets some different kind of response, which they said Fiverr do not allow any other means of communication except it was done on Fiverr. So you see, you have to use your Skype there. Okay, you have to use your Skype. There is no video chat on Fiverr. It would be cool though. So definitely this particular person doesn't know what's going on. Okay. Let me check on another. Okay, I think this is the link I clicked on earlier. which discuss about maybe you cannot discuss anything outside Fiverr. So I think it was this page. Okay, you can see looks like they just started rolling out video chat feature. Anyone tried it? So it's best for some sellers, and I don't know for the other sellers too, but I just think I need to bring this to you guys notice, and that's that. Thank you for watching, and if you think this video is of benefit to you, kindly click on the like button and click on the subscribe button as well, and also don't forget to turn on the notification bell so anytime I upload a new video you'll be notified. Thank you.